Hello, assalamu alaikum to all of you, my dear student. Warmly welcome on the platform of the Mixed Tutor Academy. Today we are going to discuss price changes. I am going to share the screen with you. Is it visible? Okay, all right. Okay, here we will discuss price changes. My dear students, price changes means refer to sometime increase or decrease in the market price of goods and services over time. So these changes occur due to various factors that influence like demand and supply in the market. So one by one we will discuss these all things. So first of all, price changes refer to price changes refers to the increase or decrease. Increase or decrease in the market price of goods and services over time. Types of price changes. The first one is price increase inflation. Means to say when the price of goods and services rises, rises often due to higher demand or lower supply. The second one is price decrease. means deflations are discounting. It means when the prices falls, usually due to lower demand or oversupply. Oversupply. Actually, there are different causes of price changes. The first one, demand side factors. Increase in consumer income. When the consumer income will increase, automatically demand will also increase. When the demand will increase, the prices will also increase. So that is the change in price. So change in taste and preferences. Next, it can be seasonal factors also. Advertising and trends. Expectations of future price changes. The second one is cause of price changes. That the second factor is supply side factor. Cost of production. For example, wages. raw material, technological changes, natural disasters, government taxes or subsidies, import exports restrictions, let me make a diagram to show the changes. Okay, for example, this one is a demand curve. This one is supply curve. They are going to intersect each other at this point. For example, at this point, the price is $20. When the demand will increase, the new demand curve will be on right side. Now it is intersecting at this point. So due to increase in demand, the price also change, increase, and the demand will only be increase. We have discussed in demands side factors we discuss. On the other hand, for examples, if I will talk about if the demand will decrease, for example, if the demand will decrease, the new demand curve will be on this side. So D2, no, it is intersecting at this point. So no, price will fall. If it increase or decrease, both are the change in the price. Same like the supply, if there will be any change in supply. So it was actually, this is the mini topic. We cannot add any more in this chapter. Just only graph will show the change in price. If the demand will increase, the price will increase. If the demand decrease, price will decrease, right? If the supply will decrease, the price will increase. If the supply increase, the price will decrease. Okay, thank you very much, my dear student.